guys, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, if you're interested in an awesome kicker kit, okay, you can see the build quality on this, real thick heavy duty metal, not the usual cheap shit, if you excuse the phrase, but very well made, got the bush in, everything. Okay, so you're ready to roll. You got your kicker, old school, you got all your bearings, all your gear, ratchet gear, your spring. You know, this is a proper kit. Very good instructions. Your bearings are going to go back in there. Okay, here's all your other nuts, etc. you need. The bearings are dead cheap if you want to buy new ones anyway, but a lot of the time they don't really wear out, to be honest with you. But if you want to, you can replace them, and we keep them in as well. We've obviously got all the gaskets are supplied with this particular kit. We do very good 75 140 fully synthetic oil, which we would recommend as opposed to the usual 75 90 Harley use, especially with some of the quality of the bearings now, especially in the 6-speed boxes, are pretty crap. Anyway, this is a 5-speed, full instructions, very easy to do. You know, you replace them with the longer dowels, okay, which are obviously in one of these packets here or in there, and away you go. If you're interested in any awesome bits, we still do a lot of Ultima stuff. We do a lot of S&S, keep the motors in 124s, 111s, stuff like that. Specialise really in FXRs. If you want FXRT, FXRP bits, we do all that kind of gear. But I mean, Jack bikes as well. We've got M18 parts, we've got Triumphs, our big seller, believe it or not, outsells every other bike that we deal with. Triumph, Thunderbirds, Americas, that kind of gear. Rocket's not so popular. But, very cool stuff and well worth buying. So if you're interested in any 6-speed upgrades or overdrive pulley kits like we do, which means you don't have to buy a 6-speed, but you can drop the revs by over 1,000 in top. We do the overdrive kits, which I noticed everyone else copying my idea, like my Magneti Morelli carburetor EFI to carb kits. They're all copying that, God help us, for the last 6 or 7 years. But you know, we are pretty revolutionary in designing stuff and working stuff out, and then everyone obviously rips it off. But if you're interested, 01773835666, customcruisers.com. The new site coming very shortly. We were promised July, full of shit as usual, most of these web people, fucking tossers. And it will be out in the next, well, basically I'd say for Christmas. We're going to have about 200,000 parts on there, and lots of genuine tell you if it's in stock, with the supplier, and what's going on. 01773835666, or sales at customcruisers.com is your best bet to email us, as we are very busy on the phones. I do apologise, or packing stuff for orders. Thank you.